Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of potato perfection. Whether you're whipping up creamy mashed potatoes for the holidays or making a hearty shepherd's pie, having the right potato masher can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best potato mashers that combine performance, durability, and ease of use. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below. If you want to know about the price and other information, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest kitchen gadget reviews. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the KitchenAid 6-speed hand mixer. If you feel like giving your hands a break from mashing, an electric hand mixer can help alleviate the strain while also producing optimal fluffiness and creaminess. Marissa Olson, the author of this piece, has owned and operated a KitchenAid hand mixer for years, finding the appliance reliable, powerful, and comfortable in her hand. The KitchenAid is a 60-watt electric mixer equipped with 6-speed settings, from a gentle stir to a vigorous whip. This versatility makes it ideal for more than mashed potatoes. With a push of a button, you can mix cookie dough, whisk egg whites, and whip heavy cream. The hand mixer comes with a set of flex edge beaters and a whisk, which is specially designed to add lightness to your dishes as well as reduce vibrational sounds when running. The stainless steel beaters are also coated so you can safely mix food in a non-stick bowl. The beaters are dishwasher safe and can be conveniently stored in the built-in clip under the base, which means no digging through your utensil drawer to find your accessories when you're ready to cook. The base can be wiped down with a damp cloth. Coming in at number 4 is the Dreamfarm Smood potato masher. The Dreamfarm Smood is an upright stainless steel potato masher that almost resembles a type of whisk, with a head that's shaped like a springform flexible coil. So rather than applying pressure with a flat surface, the Smood uses the coils to crush the potato. To use, place the Smood over your food item as if you're trapping it, then gently press downwards on the handle. The coils will expand and flatten as they push the food through the gaps to create a very satisfying smash, all while requiring less force from your wrist. A section of the outer coil has a silicone straight edge attached, acting as a very handy scraper to clean out your bowl when you're finished mashing. One drawback is the surface area of the mashing area. Because the coils only measure a little more than 3 inches in diameter, it might take you a little longer to mash a large serving of potatoes. The Smood is made of food-safe mirror-polished stainless steel, which is resistant to scratches, and the ergonomic soft handle with a natural thumb rest is made of silicone. The Smood is available in several colors, heat-resistant up to 500 degrees F, and dishwasher safe. Our number 3 pick is the Jeanne Fitz Foldable Potato Masher. The Jeanne Fitz Foldable Potato Masher is packed with unique design features that make it unlike other models. It's an 11-inch tool made from stainless steel, known for its durability and a non-slip silicone coating. The masher head consists of a large, oval-shaped stainless steel plate with perforated openings in various sizes, which helps mash a variety of foods and textures. Meanwhile, the silicone edging protects your pots, pans, and bowls from scratches. The hinged masher head is connected by rivets to 2 stainless steel shanks that form the shape of a bell and attach to the top handle. The head securely latches open or closed, making it easy to store flat in your kitchen drawers or compact enough to bring to Mom's house for the holidays. While food may get stuck in the head and around the rivets, this tool is dishwasher safe. We like how sturdy it is and appreciate the ergonomic handle that provides a comfortable grip without any slippage. Runner-up at number 2 is the Joseph Delta Folding Potato Masher. The Joseph Delta Folding Potato Masher is both affordable and boasts several thoughtful design qualities. The masher is thin and lightweight, composed of a narrow but sturdy stainless steel shaft with a BPA-free non-slip ergonomic handle and a nylon perforated masher head. One of our favorite design aspects is the foldable hinged masher head. When you want to use it, just flip out the head and slide the collar down to the base to lock it in place. To store it away, move the collar back up towards the handle and fold the head back to lay it flat. This feature is helpful for storage, no more kitchen drawer fights with a bulky, wiry masher. The masher head is triangular with rounded edges, making it easy to mash right up to the edge of a pot or curved bowl without scratching your cookware. Some customers complain of food getting stuck in the holes and locking collar, but the Joseph potato masher is dishwasher friendly, so it should be fairly easy to clean. And finally, the number one spot goes to the OXO Good Grips Smooth Potato Masher. Our top overall pick, the OXO Smooth Potato Masher stands apart for its unique horizontal handle rather than the traditional upright handle. The grid design of the stainless steel masher head features holes in varying sizes for lump-free, smooth potatoes. The head is seamlessly connected to a horizontal black handle via two side shanks without any rivets, so you won't have to deal with loosening screws, rust, or leftover food particles getting stuck. The handle is composed of a non-slip, BPA-free plastic that's easy to grip even with wet hands. The hand grip is extra wide with an ergonomic design, so you'll have extra cushioning, reducing pressure on your hands. The rounded shape of the head lets you mash right down to the bottom of the bowl so you can get even those hard-to-reach areas. However, the stainless steel could end up scratching some of your pots. You may also find the 6-inch length a little short, especially if you have a deep pot or a large batch of potatoes to mash. Even with that said, customers love how durable this masher is while being lightweight. Plus, it's dishwasher friendly and makes your wallet happy. And there you have it, our top 5 potato mashers. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more kitchen gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy mashing!